my guy. Look at my guy walking. Look at my guy. Yeah, he's such a cute little guy. He's such a cute little guy. Oh. There's my guy. Oh, bad lighting. Bad lighting. Yeah. This is December the 15th. Arthur's 11 months old. It's early in the morning as I'm getting ready for work. And Arthur is chewing on his, I don't know, that thingy doodle that, I don't know what it's called. But it dawned on me that we hadn't taken any video of him walking lately, and he's walking so well. I wanted to be able to put this on the blog. Look at you, buddy. Look at you, buddy. Ah. Oh, he's a good guy. He's a good guy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. There he is. There he is. Chewing on the dish rag. Yeah, it's kind of gross. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, you're putting your finger on the lens. Don't do that. Don't do that. Little silly goofball. Yeah. What you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? Yeah, here's my guy. Here's my guy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.